one. Levin Jeans Company sold 1,025 pair of jeans at $48 each. How much money did Levin Jeans Company receive altogether? So each means one pair. One pair is $48. 1,025 pairs will be 1025 times 48. No calculator, then you do your long multiplication like that. This one, many will get very careless mistake. Many confusion here. Don't know which one to times first, where to put the zero and whatnot. Okay, I'm not going to do that because this one you need to know how to do it. Answer is $49,200. Okay, have you marked your answers? Please mark along the way. All right. Next one, number 20 and 21. Express 0.068 as a percentage. Okay, so I have 0.068. I want to change to percentage. You know that percentage means I will have to times it with 100%, like that. Okay, so for this one, I just times it with 100%. But how do we do that? You take it like this is number 100. Take it like it is 100. Okay, so when I times 100 means I'm going to put your decimal place. Look at decimal place. I'm going to move how many places? Look at the zeros. 2 places to the right. 1, 2. Put the point here. So it's 6.8 like that. Okay, percent. Done. This is the answer. 6.8%. Okay. Next, number 21. A mini laptop cost $726 before GST. How much money will Gina have to pay for the mini laptop after 7% GST? Which means GST is added on. Added. Okay. Added means you must plus. Okay. What do we do? Find the 7% first. 7% of your $726. 7 over 100. This is 7 over 100. Of means times 726 over 1. Like this. Okay. And then you divide by 2. This one divide by 2 will get 50. You divide by 2, you get 363. Then you're going to get $50.82. This is GST only. Do I want what is the GST? No. How much money I have to pay for the laptop? Means you must add it in, right? 726 plus $50.82 equals to $776.82. That's your answer. Okay, some of you might be getting the steps correct, but because you're careless in your calculation, then you get it wrong. Okay, be careful with that because paper 1 booklet B is like that. Many calculation to be done. Number 22. So you have this equation. 150 divided by 25 times 5 plus 15 divided by 5. Okay, you don't have to copy. I say refer to the video for your corrections or to copy down. I'm going to go through fast. I told you already from number 16 until 23, I'm going to go through fast. Listen to the video, refer to the video later on. Okay, so this one is your Bodemas rule. BODMAS. This is bracket. This is order of your division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. The order means if you have division and multiplication side by side, then division you have to do first. Okay, but if, for example, your division and multiplication, your multiplication come first, then you can do your multiplication first, whatever comes first. Okay. However, if it is division and subtraction, then definitely division must do first. Okay. If they are side by side, these two set, if they are side by side, the order say whatever comes first, do it first. That is what the order means. The order. Okay. So I have here, I have division So I have to do that one first, right? 150 divided by 25, then I get 6. And then I times 5, copy down, plus 15 divided by 5. I can do this one also, right? Division do first, correct? 3. Then 6 times 5, next. Then you plus 3 equals to 33. That is your answer. All right. Next. 23. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to the biggest. Okay? Means you're going upwards. Ascending order. So if you look at all these things, everything is jumbled up. One is a fraction, one is a decimal, another one is a percentage. What must I do then? Convert everything to be something similar. I'm going to convert everything to be decimal. Okay? So my 5/4, I convert to decimal. So this one is okay. Leave it as it is. My 9/8, I convert to a decimal. And then my 75% also convert to decimal. 5/4 means 5 divided by 4. Or you can change the denominator to become 100. Correct? So you change it by times 25. You times 25 like this. Right? So this is 125 over 100. Then this one means, this line means divide, correct? So it's 125 divided by 100 equals to 1.25. Okay, decimal already. Okay, now next, this one you can times it and change it into a decimal as well by changing it to 1000. This one times 25 times 25. Okay, so you are going to get 1125 over 1000 equals to 1125 divided by 1000 equals to 1.125, 1100. Okay, now 75% is actually 75 over 100, which is 75 divided by 100. I get 0.75. Now everything is in decimal, right? Now I just have to make sure I know who comes first, who comes second, and next, right? So if you look at this, who is the smallest? I have 125. I have 1.125. I have 0.75. Okay. The smallest is this one. Second smallest is this one. Third smallest is this one. The last is this one. Then you arrange in order. When you arrange, make sure you copy the original thing. Many students copy the whatever they convert it to. Cannot. It is the original number that's given. So 75%, then comma 9/8, comma 5/4, comma 1/7. That's your answer. Right? Find the length of a cube which has a surface area of 216 cm squared. Okay, so if you look at a cube, if you do not know what a cube looks like, you can draw out the cube. Okay, I encourage you all to draw out your diagrams. If you're not sure how that diagram look like, okay, draw them out to know how they are. This is a cube. Right? So a cube is like that, and then we have a surface area of 216. So surface area means the outside, okay? If you look at a cube, cube have 6 surface areas, okay? Because the top, the bottom, the side, and then you have the front and the back, okay? If you can see that 6, all right? So what do we do with this 216? You take your 216 to find one surface area. I want to find one surface area first. It will be 216 cm squared divided by 6 equals to 36 cm squared, which means one square, this and this, length times breadth, length and breadth is the same, right? Because it's a square, okay? So one side of the square will be 6 times 6, which is 36 cm squared. I must look for the same number times the same number to give me 36. So which means each side of the square is 6 centimeter. Okay. All right. This is square root actually. Square roots. The same number times the same number. Next.